What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's your SkinnyBoyRandy. How you doing? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. I missed you guys so much. I was gone for like 3 or 4 days, you guys, and I just felt so lost. I felt lost in the sauce. Okay, I miss y'all. I can't be without you. I love you. You're the best. Thank you so much just for being here. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Hope you're being safe. Hope your family is safe. Hope you're doing well. Hope your garden is doing well. And I hope you are, if you're new to my channel, oh, by the way, yeah, if you're new to my channel, you guys, you know I like to skip the preliminaries, but I have to do it because we have new members every single day. New subscribers, I should say. New subscribers every day. You guys are blowing my mind. On our way to 4,000, you guys. On our way to 4,000 subscribers. You guys are doing that. Okay, I can't do it by myself. It's you guys that are keeping me going, okay? I love you. You're the best. If nobody told you today I love you, I do. Oh, back to the intro. See how I get sidetracked? Y'all know why I do. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. Click the thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the 2 middle fingers, okay? Okay, I love you. And also leave a comment. Share my video, you guys. It's the best thing in the world if you share it and somebody else shares it, and then the word gets out, and everybody can come check out the Skinny Boy Farms, because you know we have a lot of fun over here. We have a lot of fun over here. As soon as I get off work, the party is on. Okay, I love you. You're the best. Again, I love you. Thank you for being here. Stay safe, you guys. Stay safe. It's a lot going on in the world. Y'all know. I don't have to tell you. It's a lot going on in the world, and it's a lot going on in personal lives. I thank God for healing my friends and family that have been ill, and you know, and it's not even the pandemic. They were ill from something else and had to go through surgery. So thank God for healing. Thank you, Lord. Hallelujah. I thank you, God. And my neighbor decided he wanted to cut his grass as soon as I started making this video. Just a side note. Okay, I love him though. Anyway, today we're going to talk about a question everybody has at least once in your gardening career. Why am I getting all of these male flowers on my squash, zucchini, cucumbers, blah, blah, blah? No females. That's one of them things you be like, now I'm doing everything right. I'm planning everything right. I'm going by the book. And I'm getting all these male flowers. Okay. But don't be discouraged, because male flowers are very, very, very important. Just as much as the female flowers. Okay. And I don't like to call it a female flower, because in reality, the female is the actual fruit, you guys. A lot of you probably know that, but some of you don't. And they're like, what's the difference between a male flower and a female flower? The male flower pretty much grows just like a stem with a flower on the end. See? Just a flower, a long stem with a flower on the end. The female will be the actual squash. You'll know your female because it's not going to be just a stem with a flower. It's going to be an actual fruit. You're going to see a fruit. You're going to be like, oh, that's a yellow squash or cucumber. You're going to see the actual fruit. What looks like what you planted, you're going to see that. That's the female. When you see that fruit, I don't care how tiny it is, you'll see it. And you'll be like, oh, no, that's a squash. That's your female flower, and she'll have a flower on the end of her as well. Okay, that's just the male and female difference, and I made a video on that a while back. Go on and check it out. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. So you wonder, why am I getting all these male flowers and no females? Okay, here are some reasons that this could be happening to you. First of all, they could be too young. We get excited, the plants start growing, and we're like, okay, where's my stuff? Where's my stuff that I planted? I put my seed in the ground and I want my harvest now. It's my harvest and I want it now. Okay. We can't get it like that. Alright. Mother Nature does her thing in her own time. And trust and believe me, when things look like they're not going so well, give it time, you guys, in your garden. I learned that. Being impatient, I learned it. I'm checking my plants every 30 seconds. Why is it not growing? Not every 30 seconds, but yeah, almost. I come out here and check my plants 20 times a day. Doesn't even matter. And sometimes you come out and you'll see something that changed just that fast. So always keep an eye on your garden. But anyway, sometimes they're not mature enough. They're young. They're babies. They're not ready to have a baby. They're young. They're growing. They're trying to get their life together. Okay. Y'all know how it is growing up. You ain't ready to have no baby till you ready to have a baby. Okay. And don't go ahead and have no baby if you ain't ready. All right. That's just word to the land. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. But yeah, you guys, so this plant has produced so many male flowers, and it's still young. And this is a squash plant, and it's just produced male flowers, male after male after male. But it's still young, so I'm being patient. But maturity could be a reason. Your plant's not old enough. It's just shooting out male flowers just to see and test the waters and see, okay, if I shoot out a female right now, I'm not young enough to hold it. If this thing had a squash on it right now, it would fall all over and break. She knows she ain't ready. All right, all right. And your plants are unisex. You have a male and female that come out of the same squash, zucchini, and cucumbers. Yeah, male and female come out of the same stalk. Or stem, I should say. Anyway, y'all know we ain't professional. We don't even proclaim to be professional. We just are gardeners who love gardening and spending time together. Okay, I love you guys. All right, so maturity, that could be one of the reasons. Now, this one has gotten a lot bigger, and it's only produced male flowers. Second reason could be too much sun or too much lack thereof, or lack thereof sun. Or either too much sun. You can burn your plants up, y'all. Yeah, you can burn them up. You stand in the sun long enough and see how you feel. Okay, stand there like a burnt piece of toast. Ain't nobody got time for that because you'll be in an emergency room. Y'all know what? We ain't got no money to go to the emergency room. Ain't nobody got no money. Shoot. But yeah, I don't care how big it gets and it keeps on producing male flowers. It may be too much sun. It may be too less sun. That could be one of the reasons why you're not getting the the female flowers, and you're just getting males. So if you're in a dry zone and the sun is just beaming right onto your plants all day, you can burn them up. So you might want to invest in a hoop with a shade cloth to go over them. And a lot of things you can find, it doesn't have to be called a shade cloth. You can find the exact same thing at another store, but it has a different name and it's 10 times less. Okay, because we ain't got no money. Ain't nobody got no money. Thank you so much for being here. Okay, also, female flowers, when they do come out, they only have about 24 to 48 hours, normally 24 hours. You got to catch your flowers early in the morning. When that bloom opens up, because it only stays open for a few hours, I've seen it happen, and then it closes right on back up. If it's not pollinated, it's a wrap most of the time. It's a wrap. Okay, and I know how to self-pollinate, and you can check out my video on that as well. But the plant is thinking to itself, I'm not going to send out my baby. I'm not going to send out my squash or my zucchini yet because the conditions are not right. So for now, I'm just going to keep sending these male flowers. I'm just going to keep sending these male flowers until I can feel my strength up, my nutrients, my soil, everything in the conditions are right for me to send my baby out there, and I think some bees will pollinate her. That's what the plant is kind of thinking, almost. Okay, we don't know for sure, but pretty much that's how to put it nicely. Also, lack of nutrients. When you're growing in containers, I've learned too, you cannot just put them in the soil and leave them. They need nutrients, fertilizers. Get you some fish emulsion, fertilizers. They need different fertilizers at certain stages. You have to know what you're doing, research on your plants, because they're not directly in the ground when you have them in the containers. So you have to substitute Mother Nature, and that's your job. That's your job. Yeah, gardening is fun, and it's easy when you make it easy. But if you're planting a whole lot of things, you'll quickly come to learn, wait a minute, pump my brakes. Don't overdo it. Don't plant more than you can bite off. Okay. Plant what you're gonna go and eat, you guys. All right. Also, like I said, too much heat. Also, too cold. They can't do well in the cold. Nope. They're not cold weather vegetables. You may get away with it if you have some plastic to cover them, and hopefully the sun will give you some warmth. It's warm out here today, you guys. We've had so much rain, I couldn't be outside making videos, but I made one for you yesterday, okay? That's how much I love y'all. But anyway, if it's too cold, they're just gonna wilt, they're gonna get frostbite, and they're gone. They're gone. So these are some of the things to think about why you're only getting male flowers. To correct the problem, try fertilizing, especially the ones that you have in containers. Try fertilizing. When you see your leaves turning yellow, that's lack of nutrients. And a lot of plants that I see that may not be doing good, I don't get rid of them, you guys, because I have you here. I have beginners here. And I want you to see that I make mistakes, or I don't even consider it a mistake. I consider it a learning experience. Gardening is always learning. You win some, you lose some. Some do, some don't. Some will, some won't. Hey! All right, okay, I love y'all. So I keep a lot of plants that don't look like they're doing good just so I can watch it and tell you what I've learned. Okay? Okay? So that's why you see some of these, it might have a disease or something. We're doing our research on that one. Okay? Okay? So, let me show you guys up close. So maybe you can, you see that leaf there? It's been in this container. And we're trying to figure out exactly what's attacking it for some reason. All of these are perfect, but down here, and I don't want it to spread up. So, but back to that. Keep your plants moist. You don't want the soil too dry. They like to get a little dry, but not bone dry to where they have no moisture. You'll lose them. You'll lose them, okay? So just remember, you guys, live, love, laugh. Pay attention to what you're growing. Love on your plants. They will love you and your family back. Love on your family and friends as well, you guys. Stay safe out here. I love you. You are the best. Thank you so much. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay, okay. Leave a comment. Share the video. I love you guys. You are the best. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it.